Hello, Patrick. I am Annie's colleague, and as she feedback, there is a big sound from the machine of the vacuum device. And this is the 3 new devices from our factory. And here I would let you check whether the sound is okay for you. As you can see, this is the wholly new 3 devices from the factory, and I just make them unpacked and connected with the power here, and you please hear it whether they are okay for you. Okay, let's do it one by one. Okay, first machine. Okay, second. Wait for a moment. Yes. The second machine. The last one. Okay, all the sound is normally from the pump, and you can hear clearly. And please look up to your feedback for whether there is okay for you. And our side could arrange shipments for you as soon as possible due to our Chinese Spring Festival. Thanks.